Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something that genuinely impressed us. This is a smartphone many gaming enthusiasts have been waiting years to see, the all-new Lenovo Legion Y70 new generation. The Legion lineup has always been known for creating some truly iconic gaming phones, with bold designs and impressive performance that left a lasting mark on the mobile gaming world. If you've ever owned or used a Legion phone before, let us know in the comments. After a 4-year break, this legendary series has finally made its comeback. So let's take a closer look at the new Legion Y70 and find out what makes it stand out, especially for gaming in today's AI-powered era.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The first thing that stood out to me was how the Legion Y70 new generation feels both familiar and refreshed. It carries over the design philosophy of the 2022 model without following the flashy, futuristic gaming phone trend. Instead of an aggressive mech-inspired appearance, it has a more refined and understated look. The version we have is the elegant ice white color, featuring a smooth matte finish on the back. It offers a premium feel that's more comfortable than glossy or skin-like coatings, while also being more resistant to wear. Looking closely, you can even notice a subtle three-dimensional mesh texture underneath. The Legion logo sits proudly in the center, with the Lenovo branding beside it, giving the phone a strong family identity. When it comes to handling, the 6.82-inch flat-screen flagship feels a little different from the typical sandwich-style smartphone design. The mid-frame extends slightly beyond both the front and rear panels, creating a unique feel in the hand. On the front, the new Legion Y70 features a flat OLED display with 4K resolution and an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. It uses BOE's latest Q10 panel, combining top-tier resolution and refresh rate into one impressive package. Compared to gaming phones that still use full HD displays, the difference in sharpness is immediately noticeable. Brightness is equally impressive, reaching 2100 nits in peak brightness, with a local peak of up to 7000 nits. Just don't let it blind your teammates while gaming. Interestingly, since most mobile games still don't even render at 1080p, this incredible display has another exciting purpose beyond watching videos. That's where Legion's brand new full-screen seamless connection feature comes in. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to fully test it ourselves before making this video, but it's definitely worth mentioning. From what we've seen, this feature has the potential to completely change the way people think about playing mobile games. We'll have to wait a little longer to see everything it can do. Now, let's explore another highlight of the Legion ecosystem, the brand new Legends Zone. First of all, it works as an incredibly convenient gaming platform. Unlike many Android app stores or game centers that mainly focus on distributing mainstream titles, Legends Zone lets you directly search and download most popular secondary games from their official servers. If you think that's useful, don't forget to type "thank you" in the comments. The platform also includes a ranking system based on total player time, as well as real-time popularity determined by the number of active players. It feels a lot like having Steam DB on your phone, offering much more meaningful information than download rankings influenced by marketing. The built-in game management interface is also refreshingly clean. There's no unnecessary advertising or promotional content cluttering the experience. Even better, your personal gaming history combines both your mobile and PC gaming records, making it easy to check everything you've been playing recently from one place. Of course, being a modern Legion gaming phone means it also comes packed with AI-powered gaming features. Two of my favorites are AI Pre-Start and AI Keep Alive. Modern mobile games are becoming larger than ever, and launching them often requires resource compilation before you can actually play. AI Pre-Start helps by loading game resources in advance, reducing startup times and getting you into the game much faster. AI Keep Alive is another feature many players will appreciate. Imagine waiting in a game lobby while ordering food or replying to a message. Normally, switching apps could cause your game to disconnect or be closed in the background. With AI Keep Alive enabled, you can switch between apps much more confidently without worrying about your game session being interrupted. Another important technology behind the gaming experience is the phone's AI performance scheduling system. As for the hardware itself, we've already prepared the full specification list for the new Legion Y70, so if you're interested, feel free to pause the video and take a closer look. One particularly impressive feature is its Qiankun Ningjin cooling architecture. Along with a massive VC vapor chamber and graphite cooling layers, Lenovo has also added high thermal conductivity gel and liquid metal, technologies more commonly associated with devices like the PlayStation 5 and Legion's premium gaming laptops. Naturally, expectations for gaming performance are extremely high. To see how it performs, we started with Genshin Impact, using the highest graphics settings at 60 FPS while exploring the early map around the city with a single character and a blue buff. The Lenovo Legion Y70 new generation delivered an average frame rate of 59.5 FPS while consuming just 4.75 watts of power. The highest temperature recorded on the back of the phone was only 43 degrees Celsius. Next, we moved on to the more demanding Honkai Impact 3rd aircraft. Once again, running at the highest graphics settings, the phone maintained an impressive average of 59.5 FPS, power consumption stayed below 6 watts, and thermal performance remained excellent, with both the front and back of the device reaching only around 44 degrees Celsius. Among smartphones that rely solely on passive cooling, this level of temperature control is among the very best. Finally, we tested one of the latest demanding open-world mobile games, driving through the first city area during a rainy night with bridges and surrounding environments placing heavy stress on the hardware. Even under these conditions, the Lenovo Legion Y70 new generation achieved an average frame rate of 50.8 FPS while drawing less than 5.5 watts of power. Surprisingly, the phone actually stayed cooler than it did during Honkai Impact 3rd, suggesting it still had performance headroom available. Based on these results, we believe that retail units running the final official software should be capable of delivering even closer to full frame rates while maintaining similarly efficient power consumption and excellent thermal performance.
To wrap up our gaming tests, we jumped into two of the most popular competitive mobile titles. In a 5v5 match of Honor of Kings with ultra graphics and the highest frame rate settings enabled, the Legion Y70 new generation drew only 3.6 watts of power, while the phone stayed at around 40 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its AI performance scheduling, the gameplay remained incredibly smooth from start to finish. Even during intense team fights filled with visual effects, the frame rate stayed stable without noticeable drops. We also tested the smooth 120 FPS mode on the triangular map, where the phone once again stayed very close to the maximum frame rate while keeping power consumption below 4 watts. Looking at all of the gaming results, it's clear that the new Legion Y70 isn't tuned with a brute force strategy that simply pushes maximum performance regardless of heat or battery life. Instead, Lenovo seems to have applied years of experience from its Legion gaming laptop division to create a much more balanced approach, optimizing performance, efficiency, and temperature together for a better overall gaming experience. Of course, great performance alone isn't enough. A reliable network connection is just as important when you're playing competitively. That's why the new Legion Y70 includes a dedicated esports antenna, ensuring your signal stays strong no matter how you hold the phone. It also supports 4-SIM dual standby along with 4 network switching, delivering excellent connectivity across different scenarios. The everyday software experience has also received a major upgrade. I'd describe the current interface as offering an experience that feels close to native Android while still being thoughtfully adapted for Chinese users. At a time when many smartphone interfaces are moving closer to Apple's design philosophy, Legion instead delivers something much closer to Google's original material design language. On top of that, Lenovo has added the AI innovations Chinese brands are well known for, including the debut of Tianqi Cloud on a smartphone. What makes Tianqi Cloud different from traditional AI models is its focus on personalization. For example, you can ask it to create a gaming guide based on the titles you play most often. It can search across the internet to find the latest hidden secrets, Easter eggs, and speedrunning strategies, allowing you to access that information directly on your phone instead of spending time browsing through countless videos. Right now, the feature is still in beta and doesn't yet include expanded functions such as a dedicated skill marketplace. However, once the official version launches, its practical value and overall functionality are expected to improve significantly. Combined with Lenovo's Legion PCs and tablets, it also has huge potential for boosting both productivity and gaming. Another standout addition is the completely redesigned Super Connect system. It allows seamless document sharing between your phone and PC, and with just one tap, you can mirror your phone's display directly onto your computer. Even more impressive is the new PC mode. Rather than simply mirroring your screen, it creates a separate desktop-style version of your phone on your PC. Every app can run in independent desktop windows while you continue using the phone itself at the same time. So naturally, the question is, can you play a game on your phone while also using the desktop version on your PC?
I tested it, and yes, it actually works. That opens some pretty interesting possibilities and definitely raises the bar for mobile gaming multitasking. Beyond everything we've already covered, the Super Connect platform includes plenty of other useful features as well. Perhaps the biggest advantage is that it isn't limited to Legion laptops. It works with the majority of mainstream Windows PCs currently available, making it far more practical for everyday users. Battery life is another area where the new Legion Y70 keeps pace with the latest technology. It packs a massive 8,000 mAh silicon carbon anode battery. In our standard battery endurance test, including the complete shutdown test, the phone lasted nearly 13.5 hours. That's more efficient than many other smartphones with a similar display size and battery capacity. Charging performance is equally impressive. The phone supports 90-watt fast charging, and in our testing, it went from just 2% battery to 33% in 15 minutes, reached 61% after 30 minutes, and completed a full charge in only 61 minutes. For a battery this large, those results are truly among the best in its class. If you like gaming while plugged in, Lenovo has also included bypass charging technology. This allows the phone to draw power directly from the charger instead of constantly cycling the battery, helping reduce heat buildup even during long gaming sessions. That brings us to the end of our preview of the Lenovo Legion Y70 new generation. Honestly, there's only one thing I want to say. It's back. After being away for several years, Legion has returned with a phone that exceeds expectations in both overall refinement and real-world performance. The design stays true to the Legion family identity, while the hardware and gaming capabilities are genuinely impressive. More importantly, in today's AI-driven era, Lenovo has reimagined what a gaming phone can be. Instead of focusing only on delivering extreme performance for hardcore gamers, the Legion Y70 combines powerful hardware with intelligent AI features and advanced Super Connect system, making it just as practical for everyday use as it is for gaming. In some areas, it even offers greater convenience and smarter functionality than many traditional smartphone brands. The arrival of the new Legion Y70 finally completes the missing piece of Lenovo's hardcore esports lineup, and it makes us even more excited to see what the next generation of Legion devices will bring to the market. The good news is that you won't have to wait long. Lenovo will be hosting its full ecosystem product launch event tomorrow evening at 7 p.m., where we'll get to see even more new Legion products. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Lenovo Legion Y70 new generation or any of Lenovo's upcoming devices, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!